This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the phone visible to the PC, enable developer options, then turn on USB debugging so the computer can access your screen. Next, install the manufacturer USB driver or a minimal ADB package on the PC. This is required for secure data and control. Use a quality USB cable, ideally USB 3.0, to avoid lag. Once done, connect the phone, accept any permission prompts, and verify the PC lists the device. This step lets you move to projection tools. You now install and launch the chosen mirroring app. SCRCPY is free and latency low, while others offer GUI features. If using SCRCPY, open a terminal, run a DB devices to confirm the phone, then execute SCRCPY to start streaming. For GUI, install the client, select the connected device, and click Connect. Make sure to set resolution and bitrate to balance clarity and performance. Lower bitrate reduces lag. Once connected, you can interact with the phone from the PC, using mouse and to finish, grant screen capture permission when prompted and test input by tapping or typing from the PC. Confirm audio if your tool supports it. If you see lag or stuttering, immediately lower resolution or bitrate, try another USB port, or swap to a shorter high-quality cable. These fixes resolve most performance issues. If the device disappears, revoke USB debugging on the phone, reconnect, and reauthorize the PC. One key troubleshooting tip: reboot both devices if permissions or drivers still misbehave.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.